Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can see the blocked list on Snapchat. So let's go forward and open the Snapchat application. And after that I'm going to select this Bitmoji of mine at the top left corner of the screen. Just a few seconds because I'm waiting for that to load up. And after that you'll have to hit this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. So once you are at the settings option, you will have to scroll and find this option where it says privacy control right here. So as you can see, there are a bunch of options that you can choose from. Excuse me because I just got back. So right here, if you scroll down, as I told you, you'll have this option at the very bottom of the page, blocked. So right here you will see the list of the blocked accounts on your Snapchat. In my case, I don't have any blocked accounts, but if you block someone, you would be able to see them on this list right here. So guys, this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.